Hello everyone, welcome to VWIT affiliate site tutorial 4. This video will show you how to access your shop page, that is the page that consists of products, and how to add or edit unique content to your product page directly from front end. So this is your affiliate website homepage, and in the navigation bar you can find that there is a button named Our Shop. Click on that button. This is your shop archive page, that is the page that consists of or the list of all products. Select any product from this page, for example this one. So this is the single product page. To access the customized edit button for this page, you need to be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Otherwise, you will not be able to access the edit button. So scroll down below to find the end of the post, and you will find that there is a customize button. Click on that button. It will open up a modal window with all the fields present in the post with pre-filled data in it. You can easily edit or delete or add anything over here. For example, let me try. I am adding the word the in the title. This is the introduction para content with a dummy text to give you an idea how the introduction para content will go. This is the introduction para text editor where I have written the text. You can find it over here. This is the introduction content area. Okay, next the product excerpt. This is the area where you will find the product archive page excerpt information. So whatever you will add in this text area, this will show up in the product archive page. Next is template 1. Template 1 for unique content. We have provided a content idea for you also. So let me add this area as template 1. I am copying it and pasting it in the text editor. Let me format it a bit. Yes. So this is basically a question answer session. You can write whatever you want. This is just for your idea. Okay, next is the template 2. This is a pros and cons section. Let me copy the example content. In your case, you will type your own content. This is the template 3 area. Let me copy the dummy content. Paste it in the text editor. Format it wherever it is necessary. This is the actual product content. If you want anything to get changed over here, you can change it like release date of the product. You can change the bullet points from this to this. This is the main product image. You can change it from here. You can delete the image from here. You can click on add image. Your media library will be open, and you can select any product from here and click on select. You can select multiple categories from here, and finally you will have to click on the update button. Let's click on it and wait for the page to get loaded once more. Yes, the page has already been loaded. You can see that the image has been changed and the word the has been added in the title area. Whatever change I have made, it's showing in the page. This is the template 1 area, this is the template 2 area, and this is the template 3 area. So it's that easy to change or edit any content directly from the front end. Hope this video helps you. See you again in the next video. Thank you.